Hey everyone, how's it going? Brandon here. So we're in this gas crisis right now. Dark Side hacker group decided they're gonna put some ransomware into the pipeline systems, and the pipeline company decided, we're gonna shut it down just in case more damage happens. Supposedly, the group just stole about 100 gigabytes of data, which may be a lot or it may be a little, depending on how big the size of the um, data is. Like, what if it's like pictures and graphs and stuff that are really high quality that take up a lot of space? Or it could be, millions and millions of transactions that are there. But that's not the important part of this video. The important part is don't panic. You know, they say this thing's going to be cleared up around Sunday. Get gas if you need it, but if you don't need it, don't get it. You know, a little couple tips on just increasing your gas mileage. If you want to make sure that you're getting the best mileage for your car, you know, first things first, make sure your tire pressure is good. Refer to your manual, obviously, but typical tire pressure for a car, a vehicle, is 30 to 36 psi. You can go to usually any gas station and get your tire pressure checked and put air in it if it's needed. Another tip is don't accelerate hard when you stop. You're at a red light, just do a nice gradual climb on your speed. Don't be a lead foot. Let's see, a couple other things. Oil change. Sometimes a good fresh oil change will help your gas mileage. Definitely if you haven't had one in a long time. I mean, if you're not due for one, don't worry about it. It's no issue. And I guess the last tip I have for you is, make sure that air filter's clean in your car. If it's not clean, make sure you replace it. That's a big one when it comes to your gas mileage. And other than that, that's all I have for you. Take it easy. Don't panic. Just live normal. All right. Have a good one, and bye bye.